Decisions, decisions, decisions. Confused? Watch this. Look, first of all, realize this. You are not alone. Everyone in their life is confused at some point in life. Let that sink in. Everyone is confused at some point in time. Like, it's the truth. There is nobody in this world who knows everything since they're born. Everyone learns, alright? So, never feel that there is something wrong with you. Making a decision is tough, no doubt. So, I had started giving some promotional videos before this regarding a certain decision, India versus abroad. And I really apologize that I wasn't able to make this video earlier. So let's delve into that question, India versus abroad. Now, India versus abroad is a major life decision. And since it's a major life decision, it involves a lot of confusion. So why are we confused? I'll give you an example. There is a person who wants to reach the top of their corporate ladder. For that person, maybe moving to the US is the best decision. But there is someone who wants to simply serve society by being a teacher or serving as an educator. Alright? For that person, doing that in India makes more sense. So you see, there are these two decisions. How do I measure them? There is no way. For that person who wants to move abroad due to the corporate ladder, for that person, that decision is perfect, going to the US. And for that person who wants to be an educator, he can be an educator in India, and that would make more sense because he wants to make a difference in students' lives. So, really, here comes the question, why are we so confused? Why can't we make these decisions? It's obvious in front of both of them, right? When we are not in touch with our own selves, we don't know what we want to do, how we want to do it. It's obviously going to be a huge chain reaction of indecision. So it is very, very important at each stage in life, every time, every day, that we remove some time for our own selves. We introspect our own selves, we understand our own selves, we get in touch with our own selves. And when we are doing that, our indecisiveness becomes decision making ability. Because a person who is in touch with their own selves, for that person, India could also be a dreamland and abroad could also be a dreamland. There is no right or wrong there. It is just according to their own capabilities, their own passions. So rather than trying to judge decisions based on other people's decisions or other people's experiences, we must always try to be in touch with our own selves and take our own decisions. So I'm sorry if it hurts anyone, but there is no perfect path, there is no perfect thing to do. It is all based on your own experience. So all the best, take care, and see you next time.